Have you ever heard of these giant wood crushing machines? They not only optimize production efficiency, but also support large-scale wood processing, which plays an important role in today's forestry sector. Let's follow the wood processing process of these advanced machines, starting with the Pezzoletto 1300 and 1500 wood chipper, which uses a formidable Caterpillar engine that delivers an impressive 1200 horsepower. It can chop very hard wood up to 90 km in diameter accurately and efficiently. Please subscribe to our channel, and you will be mentioned in tomorrow's video. Thank you. The Moorbach 3036-hole tree chopper with cab and track mounted excavator, a game changer in the forestry industry, can process up to 40 tons of material per hour. The Height 9 tubular grinder is a force in the world of wood grinding, land clearing, recycling, and biomass production, ensuring efficient waste management. Diamond Z A6000 grinder, the important role in recycling and biomass production, ensures effective waste management and sustainable use of resources. The CBI Magnum Force 5400 horizontal grinder, equipped with a powerful Scania Vate engine, can handle wood waste effectively. With advanced grinding technology, the Rotochopper F66 grinder contributes to improving productivity in other industries and minimizing waste in wood processing activities. The CBI Chipmax 484, the leading wood chipper, is revolutionizing poplar chipping in the Netherlands. Equipped with a 765 horsepower Cat 18 engine, this machine processes poplar wood efficiently. With a high-powered motor and advanced grinding technology, the CB5000 400 grinder is capable of processing the hardest wood materials with ease, promoting productivity and sustainability in the forestry industry. As the latest advanced machine in the woodworking industry, the Diamond Z horizontal grinder can effectively treat waste and use resources sustainably, contributing to protecting the current forestry environment. The Peterson 5000 710 pallet crusher, a game changer in pallet recycling, turns wood waste into a valuable resource, driving productivity and environmental responsibility in the industry. Able to process up to 100 tons of material per hour, the Rotochopper B66 grinder is essential for wood waste recycling and large-scale biomass production, is the epitome of efficiency and reliability. The pinnacle of woodworking technology, the Rotochopper B66 L-Series grinder has a powerful 1050 horsepower engine that turns large trees into valuable wood chips. Is an essential tool for recycling palm waste. The Rotochopper B66 is designed to firmly turn large tree stumps into small chips to serve agricultural branches. Is a giant in the world of wood processing. With an impressive 1050 horsepower engine, the B66 wood grinder can crush more than 700 cubic meters of material per hour. Followed by the Pezolato toe drum chipper, a versatile solution for wood chipping, with the ability to process logs up to 40 km in diameter exactly. Thanks to the flexible combination of crane and advanced crusher, the work of processing large trees becomes easier and more effective, making an important contribution to the development of the forestry and wood processing industry. Let's look at the process of adding the critical torque needed to efficiently process large pieces of wood, improving productivity and reducing processing time, ensuring smooth operations in forestry. The Sheet 185 is a versatile and efficient wood chipper designed for a variety of woodworking tasks. This machine can process up to 15 cubic meters of wood per hour, promoting productivity and environmental responsibility in the industry. A leader in the woodworking industry with a rugged design and high performance capabilities, the Bandit whole tree chipper can effectively chip entire trees. The Duratech Hon 9 stump grinder is a formidable tool in land clearing and landscaping. With powerful crushing ability, this machine can effectively remove tree stumps. With immense power, the 800 amp multi-purpose chipper can handle a variety of jobs, from wood chipping to green waste grinding, processing up to 150 tons of material per hour, promoting productivity and environmental responsibility. The Crambo 4200 with Cat 9 engine is a powerful, revolutionary shredder in waste treatment that can shred many different types of materials, plays an important role in waste management, ensuring effective recycling. With its high-power shredding ability, the Comtech Crambo 5000 can process tree roots quickly and at fast speed, plays an important role in environmental remediation to ensure effective cleaning and recovery of contaminated soil. The Comtech Crambo 5000 is at the forefront of waste shredding technology that can process up to 100 tons of waste per hour, optimizing resource use and minimizing environmental impact. Comtech Crambo 5000 with 100 ATM shredding capacity is a powerful machine in waste processing. The RJ's Raptor XL has an impressive capacity. This machine can shred up to 150 tons of material per hour, making it an important tool in waste management and recycling facilities. The devices are vital for modern forestry, using technology and environmental awareness to excel in large-scale tree removal. Please comment below to let me know. We promise to bring you more interesting videos. See you again.